Another type of personal jurisdiction issue that comes up is jurisdiction in cyberspace, which what we're talking about is purchasing items on the internet, like on Amazon or eBay. So if you buy something, it could be bought from another state or even another country. And the question is, if that happens, is there jurisdiction in the state where the person is receiving the item? So if we look at the next slide, you'll see that there's a sliding scale. And if there's advertising, mere advertising, that's considered passive. And passive means there's no jurisdiction, that the company that's advertising did not submit to the jurisdiction of that state. However, if there's substantial business interaction, then that is considered submitting to the jurisdiction of the state. So if you look at your book on page 32 at the case Gucci America versus Wang Hoqing, you'll see the court had this issue where someone was making fake purses in China and selling them on the internet. And so an investigator purchased one in California. And the question was whether or not California had jurisdiction over this person, even though he never stepped foot into California. And if you look at the case, almost at the bottom on page 32, the court talks about the sliding scale rule. And what they say is personal jurisdiction is appropriate when an entity is conducting business over the internet and has offered for sale and sold its products in the forum, meaning in that state. So based upon the sliding scale here, that was substantial business interaction. And that is how you would get personal jurisdiction over someone on the internet.